Hey everybody, I'm GiGi, and I don't know if you guys know this about me, but I am obsessed with this brand called GoWise. Do you know it? Have you heard about it? Have you seen me post about it a million times if you follow me? Well, GoWise is known for their air fryers, and I have been called the salmon in the air fryer queen before, so obviously, I am a huge GoWise fan. In fact, I have had and used GoWise air fryers for the last 6 years? Yeah, 6 years. Air fryers have been around for a while. They're not just this brand new thing that everyone seems to be obsessed with these days. That being said, GoWise has other products aside from air fryers. Did you know that? I didn't actually know this either until the other day when I was on their website and I was like, say what? So I have another product from GoWise right here, and I'm gonna unbox it for all of you right now, and we are gonna see what it is. Let's just give away what's in the box. It is a meat grinder. Meat grinder? That's kind of a weird thing to have in your house. However, for some people like yours truly here, it's not. My husband happens to be a hunter, and we decided we want to process our own meat. So I thought it was really cool that GoWise actually offers up a meat grinder, and we're gonna give it a go today. It's an electric 4-in-1 meat grinder and food processor. So something that I saw on their website that I thought was really cool is that this is not just a meat grinder. It actually spiralizes and chops up vegetables and fruits and what have you. So I'm also gonna show you guys exactly how it does that when I unbox it. So this guy is very heavy duty and very sleek in its design as well. This is a top-notch gadget. Oh, and this is fun. This is very easy to maneuver because it has on, half, stop and reset, and reverse. There was another little box in the box. This, I believe, is for the vegetables. Everything has been unboxed, and now I'm going to whip out the user instruction manual, which I highly recommend all of you do as well, so we can see how to assemble this baby and get to grinding. Now, before you actually put everything together, right after you unbox it, you need to clean all of these little implements, because what I've found is they do have some grease on them, so washing them is very important. So now that everything is clean, we have to place the grinding head tightly onto the attachment opening. You gotta put it right here. Next, we have to put this little tightener right on the side of the contraption so it really holds it in tight. It's nice and secure. The next step says that I need to insert the snake into this contraption, but GoWise already did that for me, so I'm feeling pretty confident right now that this is put together correctly. Since GoWise did all of those steps for me, the last step that you have to do is simply put this right on top, and then you can press on. But of course, you need to get your meat prepared first. Before I get to grinding, I have to let you guys know what I plan to make today. I actually plan to make a salmon burger with Asian flavors, and I also plan to make a bell pepper salad that has Asian flavors as well. So, I'm not actually gonna be grinding up that guy over there. I have a salmon fillet here that I plan on sticking right in there, and should probably put a bowl right underneath here so it doesn't get on the table, and we'll see how this works. Well, that worked like a charm. I don't know if you guys like the look of meat being grinded up, but it's very, very rewarding for me, so this turned out perfectly. And I think this is gonna be the perfect burger. Now, the next step is I'm going to change out this contraption so I can cut up the vegetables. For vegetable dicing, slicing, and spiralizing, this is the contraption that you use. And you stick it into this machine exactly the same way as you do with the grinder, and you make sure it's locked tightly. And then, just to check to make sure that it's locked tightly, you can quickly turn it on. To see that this mechanism is actually turning. I have my zucchini here, and I'm going to chop off the top here, chop off the bottom there, and we're gonna stick it in. I clearly needed a bigger bowl. Look at all of that. It spiralized perfectly. And now I'm gonna do the exact same thing with the bell peppers, and I'm sure it's gonna splatter all over the table, but you know what? The table's clean, my hands are clean, everything's clean, so it's a-okay. Okay, bell peppers are going in. Let's see how this works. Ooh, hi. It looks like bell pepper relish, which is exactly what I wanted to do. And it gives my future salad some nice color. Once I jazz this up with dressing, it's gonna be really good. Okay, so why don't I take these things to the kitchen and get to cooking? While I go over to the kitchen, you guys should open up a new browser and go to GoWise.com so you can check out all of their products, including this meat grinder here that also obviously cuts up vegetables. And then come on back here so you can see what I created.